Substation components, substation automation components. First is a current transformer. Normal load of a current transformer, and that is normal load of a normal load current of a transmission and distribution. It is from 100 to 1000 amps. If it is a short circuit fault occurs, it may be 20 times. It may increase up to 20 times. Okay, when you compare with the normal value. The majority of CT which are now in service are I1 core with a secondary winding on the core. Okay, so what present they are using, many of them, majority of them using are, that is I1 core with a secondary winding on the core. Measurement CT are used to drive ammeter power, energy meter. So why measurement CTs are used means to drive ammeter power and energy meters. They provide accurate measurements up to 120% of the rated current. So CTs are used to drive the ammeter power and energy meters. They provide accurate measurement up to 120% of the rated current. Here, I1 core CTs and hybrid CTs remain the most widely used CTs in the power system because the high accuracy design, such as a Rogowski coil formed on a printed circuit board. Okay, Rogowski coil formed on a printed circuit board and optical CTs. Okay, high accuracy designs such as the Rogowski coil formed on a printed circuit board and optical CTs. So it is used in a gas insulated substation and it works on the principle of Faraday's law. It is used in a gas insulated substation. It works on the Faraday's law. Principle is Faraday's law. So here, angle of rotation, you can observe this figure. Okay, Rogowski coil and current in the middle cable. A wire wound on a non-magnetic core. Okay, a wire wound on a non-magnetic core. Here, this is a current and it is a magnetic field, and this is the optical fiber. So here circularly polarized light beam enters. Okay, circularly polarized light beam enters. Here deflected light beam collects. It is a deflected light beam collects. So here angle of rotation is proportional to magnetic field to the primary current. You can remember like this, R is proportional to, angle of R is proportional to M. Okay, so that is angle of rotation is proportional to the magnetic field to the primary current. So here the optoelectronics compares the polarization of the light beam, entered into the optical fiber. Okay, polarization of the light beam, it enters into the optical fiber, and that collected after being subjected to the magnetic field, that is circular magnetic field. That is a optoelectronics. It will compare. Okay, it will compare polarization of the light beam and entered into the optical fiber, and it will collect after being subjected to the magnetic field. Here angle of deflection is used to generate digital signals proportional to the line current. You can remember like this, angle of digital signals, right? So angle of deflection is used to generate the digital signals which is proportional to the line current. So angle of D and digital signals. So it is also deflection, digital signals and line current. Okay, Reflection is used to generate digital signals and which is proportional to the line current. So in the next video we shall see the voltage transformer.